Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my 9th video on custom GPT creation. So today I have created a GPT which could be useful for a teacher. So usually in teaching, we encounter or we see several types of students and we need to teach some abstract concepts also. So I did this one here. So what was the reason for this? This GPT is called as a playful educator. The reason for this is teach any concept, but there should be an element of play included into it so that the student can easily learn it by playing instead of just understanding it by doing on it or working on it. This is very much helpful for me if I am teaching maths, for example. Okay, I'm not a maths teacher. I do teach physics, but still, if I want to teach someone mathematics, then definitely this will be very useful. Let us understand how does it work with an example. Let me go to the search box. Let me type, I wish to teach abelian, the difference between abelian and non-abelian groups for an 8th standard student. You know, this abelian and non-abelian groups comes in group theory, which usually we study only when we are in our first year degree course. But now let me assume that there is a student who wants to learn this. So such a complex theory, I'm going to teach him at this age. So in that case, how do I proceed with it? If I just teach him directly what is it about, he will not be able to understand because completely abstract. Let us see how does it go. Okay, so the search has already given us some result. So introduce this concept introduction, basic group theory, it should first explain and then closure associativity and all these different properties, and then it should define what you mean by abelian group and then what you mean by non-abelian group and then what you mean by the operation, that is the activity, which means what does the GPT do? It provides us an activity to show like how to use this activity to explain a given phenomenon. So you need to have a number of cards or objects, worksheets for observing or recording, and then it tells you about what you need to do over here and let you know about what is the learning outcomes. And after doing all this, it also gives you a feedback form which tells you about what is that you understand. Especially if you are a teacher teaching for an MYP program, then definitely we should write at the end of the unit saying that what went well, what did not go well, and so on. So as a result of this, these kinds of questions will be very much useful. In other words, it helps us to introspect correctly whether a student has learned or not. So if you want to know more about it and you want to use this, you can definitely use it. The link for this GPT is being given below the text in the YouTube video. You can use it provided that if you are a GPT-4 user. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, you can see some more videos and keep on liking, subscribing, and commenting more about what is it you need so that we can add more number of videos in a similar way. Thank you.